outside. Good day outside. Oh yeah. Got the dogs. Yeah. Okay. Jump down the stairs. See what Xander's doing. Xander's doing something cool. And Jawaz is playing with that random thing. Probably bazooka. And I'm just recording. Nothing. A good old day to go on the swing. Go on the swing. Woo! Yeah. Oh. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! It's an earthquake! Whoa! Earthquake! Hurry, get in the safe room! Hurry, get in the safe room! Alright, guys, get in the safe room! Earthquake! Guys, hurry! Guys, hurry! It's just an earthquake outside, but just a little secret that this is not a real earthquake. So we gotta survive through this earthquake. So let's do this. Okay, good thing we got in this safe room. Now we gotta. No, Javad, don't! That's where the earthquake is. Shut the door. Okay. Guys, we gotta lock the doors. It's locked. Okay. Okay. What the frick are you guys doing? What? There's an earthquake outside. Ow! There's a freaking earthquake outside. Wait, pretend it's unlocked. Okay. Guys, we gotta lock. Okay. Guys, we gotta go to sleep. I'll see you guys in part 2 of this. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like and comment on this video. I would really appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you in part 2. Bye!